We're here at the Berlin Craft Mall, and you know, all proceeds go to the Special Hearts Daycare. So stop there, support them. Let's go over here. We're going to take a look at a couple of booths. Give you a little shot down the aisle here and take a look. So let's go over here and look at a couple of booths and spotlight those today. So the first one we're going to take a look at is the Amazing Grace Farm. And I'm going to put it on the stand here so we can look through some of those. Move you back just a little bit. There you go. So we've got a lot of different things. We've got bird feeders here. We've got the candles. We've got little alpacas. Look at this little feller. Isn't that cute? Made out of real alpaca fur. Got the nice little bird feeders. And it says here, you know, that you don't have to clean out the bird feeds because many types of birds will clean out their own house. So that makes it pretty easy. There's some different products. We've got lots of soaps and stuff over here. So we'll take a look at those real quick. So these are any size of bar or type is $3.95 each. So that is a pretty good deal. And you know, these proceeds support the rescue animals in a no-kill farm. So there's another good thing that you can do by helping out and purchasing these products. So here's goat milk soap. And we do have some jewelry here, as well as some keychain holders and some different types of things like that. So lots of natural things here, which is really, really neat. Let's look at some of the different flavors here. You got lavender, you got honeysuckle, you've got grapefruit mint, so lots of different flavors there. So here you also have some tools. There's a brace. That's $9.95. That's a good price. Here's little wood plant stands. So lots of different things in this booth. Here's a purse. It's got some flowers on it. Let's see what else we got. Oh, there's a little stool. Says woof. $3. How could you beat that? So these are different things to take a look at here. And this is, again, the Amazing Grace Farm booth. So stop in here at the Berlin Craft Mall. Stop and look at the Amazing Grace booth. It's just right inside the door. You can't miss it. So I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and let's go take a look at a couple other booths here as we're moving around. Got a couple more to show you. Hold on. Hey, it's Scott with HCOandMORE YouTube channel and also Amish Country Views Facebook page. Be sure to stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching. You know, with the break in the weather, it's time to think spring, and I'll tell you what, we're here at the Berlin Craft Mall looking through some of the different booths and highlighting some of the different booths, and this one makes you think of spring. Let me turn our garden stakes that you can put out there that has the little signs and different things to accentuate your garden. Looks very pretty. Look at that owl. Isn't that cute? Got butterflies, got ladybugs, different things like that. Got some Christmas stuff yet. But yeah, these things are at the Berlin Craft Mall. So make sure you stop there. Look at all these different types of things. You know, there's a lot of spring things here, so I'm gonna keep on moving around and see if we can find some more booths to highlight here. Okay, here's another booth I came across. This is really, really neat. Let me show you these. This one just kind of stopped me as I was walking by. So these are like puzzle pieces, but they're picture frames. So you can have your, you know, we're just a happy family picture in there, the generations of love pictures, and then they fit together to make like a wall display. You have inspirational sayings in the middle with the pieces going around it. But isn't that a neat idea? You don't have to buy them all at once. You can even just do one here, one there. Little puzzle piece. Here's your centerpieces. The love of a family is life's greatest blessings. Our family is established and rooted in love, or rooted and established in love. So yeah, got grandpas and moms, all the different family things that go together with that. So that is a pretty neat little booth right there. Let's go to the next one, because that's the one that really caught my interest. I really liked it, so we're gonna walk over there. There's some other booths here that you can see. You can see outside. Today is really, really foggy. Actually, the schools were on a 2-hour delay. Look at these little guys. Aren't they cute? $6.50. Tell you what, my granddaughter would love that. Nice little shelf thing for in her bedroom. Those are really cute. Okay, let's move on to the next booth here. It's gonna be this booth right here. This one caught my eye, so we're gonna take a look at this. All right, this booth with it's the old guys rule booth, we're gonna call it. There's got lots of shirts here. Old guys rule. It took decades to look this good. I don't know about that. Just me. But yeah, there's lots of cool shoes, lots of cool shirts. And here's old guys rock, growing old, disgracefully. So lots of funny little shirts here, lots of cool shirts. But the thing that stopped me when I was coming by, here's a Shelby Mustang. Look at that. Fastback, 66. You want to talk about a dream car? That is a dream car. Lots of fishing hats. But yeah, like I was saying, the thing that stopped me coming by was all of these little music boxes. And I'm gonna play a couple of them for you, and then I'll bring you down so we can get a lot closer look at them, because they're tiny little things, but they are really neat. So here's one, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. How can that not make you smile? There you go. Do you know the Pink Panther? Let's take a look at this one. Make sure that I'm in focus here. How's that? So here's the Pink Panther. Excellent TV show, excellent movies. So here's one for the granddaughter. It says, to my granddaughter, never forget I love you. It's my sunshine. So now we'll go and we'll get a little closer and take a look at these. So here's lots of different little music boxes there. Each one plays different songs, different things like that. $15 each, 2 for $25. So they're all very pretty, very neat gift. Tell you what, you give a gift like this, you're gonna be the only one, because it's not something you see hardly at all. And that's at the Berlin Craft Mall. So make sure you stop by, check these out. Take a look at a couple of fishing hats here. Look at those. Now, if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe or follow, and also share and hit that thumbs up. Really appreciate it. They're on Amish Country Views Facebook page, and also on HCOandMORE YouTube channel. So I was coming down through one of the aisles and came across this one, which has some really neat products. Let me show you some of these. Turn it around here. So this is, it says Summers, Wreaths, and Woodworking. And these are really neat keychain holders. These are actually show pieces that you would have as you come in your door. Look at those little doggies. That is pretty cute. But yeah, it says beware of dog kisses, but the price on these are really reasonable for being the size that they are. You know, they're really good size. They're like $50, $60. Lots of different styles. Really pretty. This is at the Berlin Craft Mall. So make sure you stop in, take a look at these different things. We're going to skip across to another booth right across, which is make you start thinking about the beaches and vacation time. Got lots of different stars. We've got the lighthouses. There's a little girl fishing, I would say, because she's got a bow in her hair. Oh, you know what they say, fish on. We got a fish on. So they got some bird houses, very pretty. Very nice. So this is at the Berlin Craft Mall. Make sure you stop in, see these different booths, and tell them that you saw them on Amish Country Views and HCOandMORE. So I had another request on Facebook to take a look at another booth, and this is a booth here with a lot of different spring type things. Doesn't this make you want to get into spring? Here's the Easter blessings. That is cute. Little $5.50. We'll bring these out so you can see these different things. Take a look at some of the different items that are in the different booths. So we've got a lot of floral displays here. Nice and spring type of displays there. It's got the sunflowers and the different color sunflowers. Aren't those nice? We're gonna set that right here for now. Also got a lot of, here's wreaths. There's lots of little signs and things like that. Got some Halloween stuff here left over yet, but look at here. Look at the little butterflies in there, monarch butterflies. They'll be coming back pretty soon. That'll be nice. There's lots of pretty little wreaths. Look at that. It's got cotton in there with it. Isn't that pretty? $14. All really good prices. Really nice, pretty things for your home. So make sure you get in here, the Berlin Craft Mall. This one's over in the second aisle, just part of the way down. There we go. Got driftwood. Some pretty pieces. Those are nice. So yeah, stop in and take a look at that. Wanted to show you these. These are little bunny rabbits. $39, all made out of wood. Got some floral on it, and also some bows. So I'll tell you what, I do the best I can with what I've got. I don't know everything about everything, so bear with me, but we'll take a look at these different booths, give you some pricing, and just a nice overview. So I appreciate you tolerating me. Okay, so we're gonna move on. We're gonna move to the booth next door, which is leather products. Got lots of different leather things over here. Lots of like handbags, you know, you can put your laptop in here. $40. Nice, very nice and soft, subtle, however you pronounce that. Here's nice little pillows. $50 pillow. That pillow would last forever. Those are nice. Here's table runners. Aren't these pretty? Pretty table runners. Hand stitched. So let's take a look at these. If you look at the stitching is made out of leather. So that is very nice. Put it back where we found it. Those are 100. Here's little coasters. $15. Aren't those pretty? Nice little design made out of rope. They're heavy. So this is Coors Leather Company. Got different purses. Got a little bag for like shaving bag. You could keep all your shaving things in there. And you know, these things, as they wear and they get the patina on them, they will be even prettier than they are now. So yeah, take a look at those. Knot wrist, reversible. Lots of different leather things in here. Pretty cool. Look at this. That is $35. That's pretty cool looking with the grommets and everything on there. You know, you could put that on your water bottle. That'd be pretty snazzy. So those are just a couple of things at the Berlin Craft Mall. Make sure you stop in, support all the good causes that they support, and the daycare, the adult daycare, and all of that. And so we'll be back here soon. Maybe hit a couple more booths yet, but thanks for watching. Make sure you like and share and subscribe and all that. Really does matter, really appreciate it. And thanks for following the Amish Country Views. We'll see you soon. Hey, it's Scott with HCOandMORE YouTube channel and also Amish Country Views Facebook page. Be sure to stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.